This is going to be an affiliate marketing step-by-step tutorial for beginners. And I'm going to show you exactly step-by-step how I made these affiliate marketing commissions. But first, let me explain you what is affiliate marketing. It's a very simple business model. You send traffic to a product that you don't own using YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Google. And you can find products to promote. These are some examples: Amazon, Clickbank, and Store24. And these websites will give you an affiliate link. And if someone buys the product through your affiliate link, you can make a commission. That's why this business model is so powerful, because you don't need to create a product, buy inventory, or ship anything. You just need to send traffic to your affiliate link and make commissions. So now let me explain you the difference between low ticket and high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket is when you make a commission of $500 or more instead of low ticket, because it's when you earn $5, $10, or $50. That's why I think high ticket affiliate marketing is the best approach you can take. This is where the fun begins, guys. We're going to find a product to promote. You can go to Google and write high ticket affiliate marketing programs, so you can do your own research of the product you want to promote. But let me show you the product that I have been promoting and making commissions. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and it has 4 phases. And the way I'm promoting this product is through a challenge. I send traffic to the 72-hour challenge, and any person can complete this challenge in 3 days. And when I send a referral to this company and they buy the challenge, I can make commissions here. And if they buy the upsells, I can make commissions here and here. And if they buy finally the high ticket product, I can make commissions here. This is called a value ladder. That means that you can make commissions from the low ticket, the upsells, and the high ticket. The way I use to promote the challenge is to send traffic to this landing page. I can collect the name and the email address. Once I have that information, I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. And if someone buys, I can make commissions. But more importantly, I have the email. And I have collected 1,094 emails. And this is important because I can do the follow-up through email marketing, because people usually don't buy at the first interaction. That's why I have an email sequence to give valuable information to my subscribers and to send my affiliate offers. And I have this 24/7 sales system working for me. I just need to send traffic, and the more emails I collect, the more money I make. If you want to take the challenge to learn how to properly set up this system, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.